Hi, I'm Gail, and I'm here today to introduce you to Studio G, my she shed. Studio G is where a lot of our locals come to share their talents, to be inspired, and to instruct us on everything from how to use a Cricut to sewing and embroidery. We will have interviews with authors and many others. So a lot will come to Studio G Creates, our YouTube channel, and we hope that you're going to stop by and visit us regularly. We'll be here. Send us your ideas and we will bring to you entertainment as well as education. Studio G has been here for just a couple of years. Took a little bit for the she shed to come together, but let me show you around and introduce you to one of our local artists, Kathy Harriet. She's inside waiting. So let me introduce you to the interior of Studio G, my she shed, by showing you what we have right here. It began as our, and continues to be, our photography studio. Included in our photography studio is everything that you need for the local artisan to come in. She's inspired to work on one of her crafts today. So Kathy Harriet is here being creative. This section of the studio is about 24 by 22 feet. So our makeup artist works right here. We have a changing room on down the hall and all the necessities and all the comforts that you might need. So I thank you for joining us today as I introduce Studio G to you. We hope you will subscribe to this YouTube channel and join us weekly as we continue to entertain and educate. Thank you very much.